Most investors, as they get older and they start to put together a diversified portfolio of investments, they'll have some investments in stocks and in bonds, and there will be a portion of their portfolio that they have historically invested in gold as this stable, secure store of value. We believe that Bitcoin is going to, over the next couple decades, displace gold. There's a number of key characteristics that make Bitcoin similar to, in fact, even better than gold. Just like gold, Bitcoin is scarce. It's highly divisible. It can't be counterfeit. It's very portable. But where Bitcoin is better than gold is that it actually has real utility. Gold is maybe good for jewelry and, in a small case, electronics. But Bitcoin can be used to move value all around the world instantaneously and basically free. When I get the question, is Bitcoin too volatile? We're looking at Bitcoin relative to gold over the long period of time. So over time, Bitcoin will absolutely become less volatile as more trading happens, as the asset class gets bigger. And ultimately, relative to gold, we think that Bitcoin will be more stable and will grow in value at a much higher rate. Today, there's $8 trillion of gold held in the world, and there's about $100 billion of Bitcoin. So if you assume just a couple percent of $8 trillion of gold moves into Bitcoin, you're talking about potentially hundreds of billions of dollars moving into the Bitcoin asset class. Bitcoin has been one of the best performing investments that you could have made over the past 5 years. And really more importantly, longer term, a lot has to go right for you to double your money in gold, whereas 100 billion could become 500 billion or $1 trillion one day, and that's very, very feasible. So there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but Bitcoin is unique in that, one, it's the first one that came out. Second, it has a very strong brand name. Three, it has an amazing community. And four, most importantly, it is finite in supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin ever created. Whereas many of the other cryptocurrencies are not really designed to be an investable store of value. What we're really trying to do here is to spur a conversation. Question what you've been told by the gold industry, question what you've read, what you've heard, and keep an open mind about the possibility that gold may have competition in something like Bitcoin.